Discovering how to master the art of vacation rental online presence can unlock unprecedented success for your business, leading to a significant boost in bookings and guest satisfaction. 5 techniques you need to know. Welcome to the Vacation Rental Resolutions Podcast. I am your host, Jerry McPherson. Whether you're a seasoned vacation rental pro or just dipping your toes into the world of hosting, you're in the right place. Each week, we'll uncover the secrets to creating unforgettable guest experiences, maximizing your revenue, and making your rental journey smoother than a freshly made bed. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on a ton of great info. In a world where digital interactions often precede physical ones, vacation rental businesses need to establish a robust online presence more than ever. As travelers increasingly turn to the internet for holiday planning, vacation rental owners and managers must effectively use online platforms to draw in and retain guests. I will share with you a guide to building a strong digital footprint, focusing on strategic approaches, the indispensable role of social media, and practical engagement methods for potential guests. Hey there, vacation rental aficionados! Ever dreamt of turning that charming space of yours into a must-book getaway? Or looking to up your rental game? Say no more. Vacation Ventures, turning property into profitable rentals. Course, your 10-module crash course with 47 lessons ready to supercharge your property dreams. From engaging videos, on-the-move MP3s, to handy PDF guides, we've got all the tools to make your listing the star of the show. Dream big. Rent bigger. The perfect getaway could be yours to offer. Be ready to stand out in the vacation rental world. Click and roll, and let's make some vacation magic together. Role of online visibility in vacation rentals. A robust online presence for vacation rentals is much more than just a digital footprint. It's an essential multi-purpose tool. It significantly broadens the rental's audience, enhancing credibility and trust among potential guests. This presence also makes booking and gathering information more straightforward, aiding guests in making well-informed decisions. In the competitive vacation rental market, having a strong online presence is critical for standing out and competing effectively. Revolutionizing rentals with digital marketing. Digital marketing has transformed how vacation rentals connect with their audience. It provides targeted advertising to reach specific demographics, enhancing the precision and personalization of marketing messages. This approach is bolstered by the rich engagement opportunities through social media and content marketing, offering a platform for meaningful interactions with potential guests. Digital marketing tools also allow for efficient tracking and analysis, helping owners gauge the success of their strategies and make necessary adjustments. Your vacation rental website's potential. The vacation rental's website, often the first point of contact with potential guests, is vital in its design and functionality. The user-friendly, easy-to-navigate website is key, allowing visitors to effortlessly find information. It should be visually appealing, with high-quality images showcasing the property and surroundings. Providing clear, detailed information about the property, amenities, and nearby attractions is crucial. Integrating SEO strategies enhances the website's search engine visibility, attracting more potential guests through relevant keywords, regular content updates, and optimization for mobile users and fast loading times. Utilizing social media platforms. Selecting appropriate social media platforms is central for reaching the right audience. Instagram is ideal for sharing visually captivating images and videos of the property and surroundings. Facebook is great for building a community, sharing updates, and engaging with potential guests. Pinterest can highlight the property's aesthetic appeal. To engage effectively, maintaining a consistent presence, sharing engaging content, and interacting with followers is essential. Online booking and review platforms. Platforms like Airbnb, Booking.com, and Vrbo offer increased global exposure and simplify the booking and payment process. These platforms also provide a space for guest reviews, enhancing the rental's credibility. Managing these reviews effectively by encouraging feedback, professionally responding to all reviews, and using the feedback to improve is key. If you're still scratching your head about how to nail this whole rental game, we've got something special for you. Dive deep into our free PDF, Unlock the Full Potential of Your Property, Top 25 Secrets for Vacation Rental Success. Trust me, it's the cheat sheet you didn't know you needed. How have you leveraged digital marketing strategies to enhance your vacation rentals online presence? Share your experiences in the comment section below. In conclusion, for vacation rental businesses to succeed in today's competitive market, a strong and effective vacation rental online presence is crucial. By leveraging a well-designed website, SEO strategies, social media engagement, and online booking and review platforms, owners can significantly increase their visibility and appeal. Consistent quality content and active engagement are essential in building an impactful online presence that attracts potential guests. In the next few weeks, I'll dive a little further into each of the topics listed. In the next episode, I'll talk about revolutionizing rentals with digital marketing.
And that wraps another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast. Remember, every successful host started with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and let's make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.
The Vacation Rental Resolutions podcast is part of the Keystone HPD network.